got here is got this little nipple. I thought I'd pull her out, see what kind of, how she's doing. So can't tell how compressed it is. I think it probably should be coming out some. Try to push her in. Yeah, well, anyway, I got my hands all dirty. Alright, so, yeah, I got my compressor fired up, and it's gonna put some lube in there for the balls that are around there. You know, trailers. Everybody loves trailers. Everybody hates them. But I guess it's better than being in a ditch underneath it. So, yeah. I have to put some gloves. Guess I'm going to change out my freaking glasses. Freaking brand new glasses. And then I get all the juice monkey on my glasses, and then I can't freaking. Where that? Right here. That's, of course, I'm blind as a bat. Freaking put the vision. Yeah, vision works. It's alright, I guess. It's close. Cheaper. Well, that don't look alright. It's like it screwed her up. Okay. Which way do they go? Like so? Yeah, come on. It's like half the day being an idiot. Get the old specs on. Now I can't see anything. But not here if they get dirty. Trailers. This one. And brakes. I don't know if it works or not. It's empty. I changed that line. You know, just hadn't gotten to work. See if the actuator is working. This here is the pump. So I think you gotta have the. Forget what this is. I have to look it up. I can't remember now. But yeah, she's not wired for, you know, the 4-pin. So I don't know if I gotta get another line off of that or what. Yeah, there's gonna be looking up some stuff. And then this thing, I don't know, you know, how much meat she still got left on the bones, you know, so I'm gonna have to jack this thing out. Just take off the tire. Looks like it's just this axle's the only one that's got the juice for stopping, and kind of needs to be fixed, I guess. Yeah, that looks like the giblet gravies. You know, you run it down in the water, and then you know, it's like the water. I think it comes in from the backside, you know, because you got the nipple over there protecting the juice. So, but it gets water in it. Then it kind of gets like that. It's kind of runny, you know. Yeah, so anyway, I don't know where to start. I guess get out my, I got my handy dandy greaser because I got tired of grease guns, man. Who wants to sit there and just sit there and mess with this all the time, trying to get it primed, whatever. So, get on with a power juicer. You know what I mean? Yeah. Get that dude down there. Set this up. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. So. Ball. See what a shot is. Yeah, okay, we got a good shot. Alright, here we go. check the tire pressure too. This has got some 2,4-C in it. And let's get some freaking gloves. There's an old shirt. Your rag. Here we are. Can't find freaking gloves. I got a backwards one. It's the only one I need. Let's make sure this. Don't be dumb. Can't remember what the pressure is supposed to be. Let me take it back off. What does it say? I haven't used it in a while. Huh. Well, crap. I'm gonna turn it down. I don't know what it's supposed to be. I don't know. I don't recall what it. I have to look at my manual. Just write it right there on the thing. So yeah, now I'm going. So I'm right-handed. Flip around, because that I can hold it with my hand. Yeah, okay. Just not sure how much. Seems like I think we got a good bunch of goober on her. Some of that gravy juice there. And getting this back off is a pain in the ass. She's just a sliding. Yeah, well, just how far should they stick out, you know? I think she's alright. I check them pretty regular, so gotta keep that gravy in there. Just works its way out. 2,4-C is a lot better. And I got a bunch of the juice on the tire. Made a freaking mess. Yeah, trailers. He likes them. He likes working on them. And she looks pretty low, so that's another thing. On here, I guess I'll just freaking deal with it. So anyway, service tire for trailer, 14-inch. Max load single. Max load double. At 35 kilo. Safety warning only mount. Tire pressure. Manual tire replacement. I do not mount on 14F. Load range tread for. Really? Max load. Huh. It doesn't even say. Well, I guess we'll have to look that one up. You can't just put what the tire pressure is on here. But it does look low. So either that or it's really pinching against. I don't know. Let's see what kind of juice she's showing us. Yeah, let's just drop that and see if I can lose that. Alright. Let's see. Man, need some knee pads too. Your knees on the freaking carpet. I mean on the The carpet. Yeah, let's be real stupid. On the freaking pavement. Can't even think. Alright, let's take that off. Okay. Well, here we go. Trailers. Alright, I went looked up a thingamabobber. Yeah, the tire pressure on this. So yeah, because I come blind and I can't see, but if over here it tells you, you know, max load, cold, and anyway, it's 50 pounds, 50 psi. So I got my other thingamabobber hooked up. Let me check that, dude. Oh yeah, she's way low on juice. So I'm gonna give her some juice. Load her up. Carlisle. Yeah, one of these trailer tires are different. I like these little deals better than them little plastic ones. Anyway, nobody cares. Well, they both do the same thing. Oh well. Alright. This is just coming straight out. Huh. Okay. Yeah. It's not really. There we go. Yeah, I had a little water in there. It's such a messy, dirty job. No, it's not really. Yeah, it's not like it's. Just got a waste product. It's a bummer. Trailers, dude. Who likes doing trailers? Come on, there, get out there. Yeah, she's got the giblet gravy in there now, so. So however many boat pulls and stuff out of the pond. I didn't get it all over this one. Amazing. I'm gonna throw this rag away. I only got one left. Yeah, a little water coming out of that one. Gotcha. Slobby. Yeah. Slobby. Okay. Here's what I got. This trailer. Everybody hates working on trailers. So you got this blue wire. It's where the juice goes in. And then, of course, you got the breakaway. And then, what have they done? 4-pin connector. Well, that didn't work. So one of these is going to be ground, I guess. And then you got running lights. You got, I don't know if this is the order or not. And you got brake, tail light, or blinker. Brake, blinker. So it needs to be 5-pin. Because how are you going to get the blue wire? You come back here on my truck with a 7-pin, freaking 7-pin. Alright. Flat, they call it flat, whatever, and it's got a 4-pin connector. So my 4-pin's working, but if I want the brakes to work, then I gotta have a 5-pin. So what I did is I went down Tractor Supply and got a 5-pin. This one comes with a 4-pin too. But I got a 5-pin. And I got a connector. This connector, get it open. It's just an adapter. So you got 5-pin. Yeah, see it, 5-pin. It's also got a 4-pin connector. So you got a little extra something. See if I can see it good. So yeah, somebody screwed it up. It didn't work. They rewired it. And I went through and fixed the lights. This was bad. So I went down to Napa, got me a good line, filled it up with some juice. But to check it correctly, have it wired correctly, I need to do some little surgery. So, anyway, everybody hates working on trailers. So anyway, I guess I'm going to have to dig in here and run the blue wire over and put it in my deal and rewire it. So, it is what it is. Anyway.